Emma, you want to do a snow angel?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? I'll show you how.
Okay.
Okay. You go like this.
Okay.
Alright, turn around. Okay, now, get your hands. Fall backwards. Okay, put your arms out all the way. And go like this. Alright, Mommy, I'll show you first. Ready?
Okay.
Up. Okay, here we go. This is how you do it. Ready, Em?
Yeah.
Stand here.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Move your legs and your arms. Oh, I'm gonna need help up. Come on! Help me up! Help me up! That's not gonna be enough. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, Em. Oh no! Give me your hand. I'll help you up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. Get your... Can you see? Okay.
My eye.
Alright. Put your hand back in here. Your hand's cold yet, honey? Okay, ready?
I'm freezing.
Freezing. I'm freezing. Alright, you want to do a snow angel? Okay, ready? Come over here. Alright. Stand here. Fall back. Put your head back. Arms out. Back and forth, feet back and forth. Yay! Put your head back. Make the head. There you go. Arms. Okay, ready? Here are your hands. 1, 2, 3, up. Let's see. Look at the beautiful snow angel. Look at it.
Mommy.
Emma's snow angel and Mommy's snow angel.